Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a flip through of a finished traveler's notebook. So you can see here it's nice and full. I think I used most of the pages in this notebook. I think I might have at one point. I think I have one pocket here where I stuck 2 pages together. But I think otherwise I used most of it. I think this journal came from Felicity Jane. It's got a really nice floral cover here. So opening it up, I have the date when I started the notebook here. And then, oh yeah, so this was actually a notebook that I took apart. So I guess I actually did take out some of the pages and I put in some plastic pockets so that I could give that a try. I've seen notebooks like this online and I thought I would just try my hand at making one. And so I did enjoy it. I do like having these fun shaker pockets. And then this page here is just a bunch of random stuff from my stash. Here's a rare one for me, at least, where I just used the white background of the paper, or of the notebook. I usually like to cover it, but here I just went with the white. And here I've put photo here in the middle in the plastic pocket. Just trying out different things to put in the center there. And here we've got some more pockets. These ones came already divided, so I just put some sequins in some of them. And I've got a little photo tucked in here. Here's a nice spread where I actually did a little mixed media on the back with some yellow paint splatters. And a lot of these papers and the flowers that you see are actually printables that I've printed out, either from my own shop or if I have a few other places I like to frequent. So I'll try to list those down below. Like this paper here, I think this is from Allison Pennington, which is one of my favorites. And then in here I do have just this unrelated tag that I stuck in here with a few photos. Here I really like this spread. I like how bright it is, the black and white. The shaker pockets, quite fun. Here I have my lighthouse theme spread. These fun sequins here. I do like the look of this notebook. I think I'll maybe try adapting another one of my notebooks with some more pockets. Here we just have a simple flowers down the side here. And then come into the end. There's a little tuck in here with some pictures. Here for now. And then this is just a I guess a transparency that I bought with the gold dots that I stuck in this pocket. And here is the last page. And I've got the date on the back when I finished. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.